Marcus! Marcus!
Kakatingin na! Galing kay Ben!
Okay, dalawa kayo ni Marcus. Ito mo muli yung kiss ngayon. Oh, look at Papa. Marcus.
Marcus, gisingin mo ako pag matulog ka na. Punta ka din sa kwarto, bubugin mo ako.
Marcus. Marcus.
Pag natulog ako, bubugin mo ako para magising ako.
Pabugbog ka pa pala kay
Uy.
Marcos, ah.
Marcus.
Ha?
Marcus. Marcus. Look at Papa. Hello. Marcus, smile.
Maxine. Maxine na, Maxine.
Marcus, sabi ka na. Sa tayo. Wala nga, Timay?
Marcus.
Bakit white dapat green?
Hello, Ma.
Yung ano, yung high drive.
Video yan, yan picture.
Video ka niya ng picture.
Video. Hello, Marcus.
Tingin dito ko. Ah? Tingnan.
Makain mo yun na.
Mike, kita yung tip mo, yun o.
Ako naman. Ako naman.
Sandali. Oh, yan si Yaya.
Video mo yung TV.
Kaya Joven.
Video mo yung TV. Video mo yung TV.
Yes. Oh.
Ikaw talaga ngayon.
Bakit?
Pagkat may utang ka pa na dapat sa'yo.
Tulog ka pa?
Sakay.
Ah.
Na?
Oh.
Marcus. Look at Papa. Here. Look at Papa.
Ay, hindi mananakit ang sarili niya.
Marcus. Big boy. Big boy. Kat, Marella. Madilim. Marcus, where's your cousin? Where's Marella?
Kumalis ka ba nag-break up muna? Huwag sabihin niya lang basta-basta. Ikaw rin tutulak sa akin eh.
Hey, bad boy. Marcus, uy. Psst. Big boy. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa.
No problem, sir. It's in my car. Gotta stop being so trusting.
I'd rather let 1,000 guilty men
Huwag mo gising si Marella.
Alright, show's over, folks. I'm afraid this whole
Marcus, come here. Marcus.
Good luck getting a
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It's not his fault that his owner was asleep.
I just want the boys to have a good home or be food.
Bye-bye.
I want to take him, fine with me.
Marcus. Come here. Hey. Come here, anak. Here, come. Oops.
Excuse me.
Oops.
His family already had a horse, and the expense for coming to work at the Quickie Mart is very...
Mm.
Anybody care what this guy thinks?
Hello? Hello, Papa? Hello, Papa?
I am an angel from the future. We'll be back after
the break. I am an angel from the world future. I can't wait.
Hello, Papa?
Strict quality control.
Yes. Basta lagi na ganda.
Hello? Marcus? Marcus? Look. Hey. Here, look. Ah. Marcus. May, tawag mo si Yaya.
Thanks for trying me. I suppose you want your guitar back now.
One moment, lady. Is it true you play guitar? Ah, maybe we can make a deal.
Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan.
Maggie, the jamboree is almost over. Only 83 more songs to go.
Okay, fine. Listen, I guess I have to know. What's the threat? What's with the glasses and big teeth?
Oh, well, that's just for our own use.
What's the threat? Tingnan dito, Carl.
I'd like to audition, Miss Darvin.
I'll sing whatever.
Troy Bolton is not in my show.
She's a team leader, not a singer. Do you ever think maybe I could be both?
Ay, nakapanood na natin yun, di ba? High School Musical. Di ba? Lahat eh. Lahat? Napanood ba natin yung unang-una? Pero yung ano, yung usapang ano, High School Musical. Di ba? Remember mo? Kaplasan ang panood natin.
Stealing away with the silver, so wallpaper.
Si Tita Kai.
Hello.
Tinan, Tita Kai, tinan. Video yan, parang camera.
Here's golden goose goes to the rocket roller.
Si Marcus yun sa cellphone mo. Ay!
Marcus. Wala. Yun ang cellphone yan. Oops, cellphone papa yan. Huwag mo ibabato yan, anak. Hello? Hello? Marcus, oh. Saan mo punta? Oh, dito ka lang, dito ka lang. Here, here. Naku, ganyan. Ala, lagot ka. Kanina yung cellphone na yan. Good ka, Marcus. Tatago na yan. Sige, tago na yan.
Marcus! Hindi ka ba ilantok?
Oh, Jobel, nagpupo yata ito.
Halika na! Upo ka na naman. Ay! Hindi!
Yaya. Yaya.
Masisira yung cellphone. Pag sinulan mo.
Oh, kunin mo si ano, Marcus. Kayong dalawa. Kayong dalawa.
Check natin yung...
Yan, si Yaya and Marcus.
Halika na. Upo ka.
Tingin, Jobel.
Ayoko ko nila.
Para na makita ng mga tao sa Canada kung sino nag-aalaga sa anak ko. Oh.
Well,
Marcus!